Yeah.
First up this evening, the residents of Rockfort in East Kingston speaking out about the terror they're enduring because of gang and gun violence.
The community wants agencies like the police and people like politicians to do more to help stop the crime. But why don't they move, and what are they willing to do to stem the violence themselves?
They called a press briefing today to make their case. Their story is our top story. TVJ's Anthony LUGG reports.
It heart-rending for talk about, you know. It heart-rending for talk about.
Mr. D, we are beg you no. Please, with all we heart, it have to stop. No man, something have to be done. I mean, I run left my one. Because it's by me, not capture it. I mean, now left to give them Filipina. So something have to do.
Desperate pleas from residents of Rockfort St. Andrew at a press briefing Friday. This briefing at the Rockfort Development Council's headquarters. They came here to say they've had enough of the gun battles involving men from communities such as Oliver Road and Jarrett Lane.
People yeah, me there Harborview stay because I can't stay with my kids them.
Them come up, them kick off over door, them want kick off, them move out them furniture out of them house and them carry gun for them yard and left the people them without furniture. So what else is going to happen?
One of the most recent shootings was on Independence Day. 2 weeks later, the residents seemed stunned by what happened back then.
We sit down in there, you know, and I have a nose, and one turn up put the long gun, and the next one, I have it up in my nose hole. You know, I tell where your friend them run down there, and I mean that do so.
I mean 6:30, shots still a bus, no police. Where them there? You cast 111, so that we're tired. Nobody not come in. So what we if you do? Go out the door, go look for you out that do it?
They believe the police are not doing enough.
Every time the police them come, yeah man, we have it under control. You see when they make one pass through or two pass through, it done for the night. And them gunman here, for them time, at 3, 4 o'clock in the morning. You see when them start 3, 4 o'clock, it'll go straight in daylight. And you're a pleasant item when you hear about police, people from down the road can tell you, say, police, they're Boston corner. Soldier, they're Boston corner. And a big iron truck where them have a drive up and down, you know. And it, no bulletproof, come up in the hill with it.
However, the head of the Kingston Eastern Police Division, Deputy Superintendent Desmond Walker, sought to refute those claims.
All the reports we have had since this conflict began in Rockfort, we have addressed or tried to address. There have been some over 11 arrests for murders, shootings, arresting people for illegal possession of firearm and ammunition.
But the residents insist they know nothing.
Them want you for call people name. Who for name for call? When shots are fired, you have to in your house. You come out the road, come look for who fire shot. Them know who fire shot, them forgot for them.
Threats reportedly sent by gunmen from a neighboring community brought tears to this lady's eyes as she spoke.
A 2 girl pitney me have, and them say them a start a rape. That is something was circulating in the community. Because see somebody a rape all my 2 baby them. Because see somebody a rape me in front of my 2 youth them. Or me for live so.
They're also calling for their member of parliament to intervene.
I want voting time, the whole of them a run come. And now the people them want them. Now the people them want them.
Anthony LUGG, TVJ News.